Hello guys, welcome back. This is Ras TV, showing you the collection machine. Yeah, this collects grass from one side, puts it together. So yes. Yeah, as I was saying, yeah, it collects the grass, which is scattered everywhere. Even this place had grass. So and puts it on one direction, on one side. Yeah, as you can see, we have some on this side and the other on this side. That makes it easier for the baler machine that bales, makes hay bales, so that it can be used for horse keeping. For those who keep horses, yeah, they like hay, even cows. Yep. So this is scattered grass. This is where it has been collected and put in one bulky, yeah,